Today, we're going to make pancakes.
We will use 200 grams of flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and the sugar. We'll crack the egg and put it in a bowl. We'll beat the egg. Mix it. We'll pour the milk.
Can I have a bowl too?
Okay. You have to mix it well and put in the flour. Oops. Wow. Wow. You okay? Don't worry. Just keep mixing. My hand is too tired. And you are? Next, we'll add some sugar. It's too yummy.
Good. Now I think we're ready to cook. What do you think, Hyorin?
I don't know. Let's pour some mixture to the pan. Wow. This will be yours. Now my turn. Why? Coca. We'll take turns. This is for mommy. Yeah, I want to do for mommy. When it starts to bubble, it's ready to flip. What? Oh, you stick it. Oh no. Wow, looks good, huh? Flip it back. That's good, amazing. What? It burnt. Mine is too brownie. No, this can be yours. That's mine. It's too small. It's okay, we can make a new one, Amy. Here, guys, look. That's a good one, Amy. This didn't go well. We're done cooking, guys. We're ready now to eat our pancakes. Wow! This is the best pancake ever! Now, what jam do you want, Inian? First, this one. Alright. Can I do it in my own? Okay, can I go first? First you. You can add your own toppings for your pancake if you want. Yummy. Best pancake ever! Wow, the worst pancake that we made. This is easy to make. Can I have blueberry? Tissue. Yummy. Daddy wa kore. Mommy wa kore. Then, kore wa Hyorin. So, Daddy, we'll leave you the bonus pot.
That's it for today, guys. Thank you for cooking and eating with us. Bye!